To differentiate this with the help of chain rule, the very first thing is the function is of sine. Derivative of sin x is cos x. That's why the derivative of this question, that is sine of tan of inverse e to the power minus x, will be given by cos of tan inverse of e to power minus x. Then tan inverse x, differentiation is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So, differentiation of tan inverse of e to power minus x will be 1 plus e to the power minus 2x into e to power minus x, the derivative is e to power minus x, and derivative of minus x is minus 1. So, we can say the net answer is minus of e to the power minus x upon 1 plus e to the power minus 2x times of cos of tan inverse of e to power minus x. This is the differentiation of the required problem for using the chain rule. Now, I want to discuss those problems where the ordinary, the chain rule, the product rule, the quotient rule will be applicable, but before it some required instructions needs to be followed. Differentiate x raised to the power sin x. We have heard about the results like what? X to the power n, but where x is variable, n is constant. We have heard about the result a to power x, where a is the base constant, x is the variable. Similarly, there are certain number of results sin x, cos x, tan inverse x, cot x, etc. But problem here is that x is base is variable and its power is also variable. So, in order to solve such problems where the base and power both are variable, we use the concept of log. That is, we suppose let y is equals to x to the power sin x. On taking log both sides, it will be log of y is equals to sin x times of log x. That is, if 1 to the power 2, that is a to the power b, then b log a, using the logarithmic rule here. And now on differentiating both sides with respect to x, what will be there? Log y, it will be 1 upon y dy by dx is equals to first into derivative of second, that is sin x into 1 upon x plus second log x into derivative of sin x is what? Cos x. We are bound to obtain here the value of dy by dx, that will be y times of, this y will transfer to right hand side and will multiply to the entire expression sin x upon x plus cos x times of log x. But we know that the value of y for us x to the power sin x, hence the derivative of, that is dy by dx is equals to x to the power sin x times of sin x upon x plus cos x into log x. So, this is the derivative where the product rule was applied, but before to apply the product rule, it was mandatory to bring the problem in the proper shape where the product rule can be applied, and for that, as base was variable, power was variable, so we have taken the log both sides and follow the steps which I have shown you to obtain the differentiation of the problem.